Oh, how much a box costs? $126.99. Oh, $126.99. And I paid what? $21. And I paid what? $21. And I paid what? $21. Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm back with February's Boxycharm. I am going to show you guys, you know, the usual, how it applies on the face, how it looks on the skin, you know, the melanin and chocolate skin. And today's box is a little interesting. So this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. So first things first, we got some brushes. These are some the 3-piece Pro Brush Trio from Crown. I kind of want to use the brush to contour and do some eye looks. So this is how they look. I'm terrified of white brushes because they're white and I'm black. So there's that. But these are cute. Alright, they're pretty dense. We'll see how they apply. So for one, the brushes are super soft. See, this is what I'm talking about. Ooh, but it blends nice though. But it's nice though. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Have I been playing myself with using a bigger brush? I thought that was gonna take me a lot longer. Wait a minute. And you can like blend it out in a more precise area. Like I said, I have a lot of face, so I'd be blending like all over here. But you know, if you have a small, petite face and you just want to blend just like this, you can do that too. This is cute though. I'm gonna force it and use this to contour my nose as well. Just gonna dab it. Y'all know how I do that. Y'all know how I do that. Like I said, I am forcing it with this big old brush. And just sweep. Oh. Okay, Crown, you cute. So I also exfoliated my lips using the Pure Lip Exfoliator, which is right here. I did it right before I did this video, and I just insert the clip here. Okay. So now that I've used this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some powder. Y'all, I have the most hood products. Like, look at what I'm using today. It's a hot mess. I'm just gonna go ahead and handle this. So I'm going to use this to contour, and then I'm going to use it to blush. Why? Because I'm extra. And I like how it's tapered, so it's perfect for like getting into the crease. Well, if you have a crease. Some people like me, we don't really have creases, we create them, hence the contouring. But so far so good. I apologize, I didn't even do my hair today. I literally just washed it, threw some leave-in, and that was it. Like, I didn't style it, nothing. My bad. I actually would have been planning on filming this video today, but then my Boxycharm box came out. I was like, girl, don't front, go ahead and get that box and film this video, because you know you want to, you know you want to. Alright, Fashion Fair blush in the shade Gingerberry. Ooh. Oh, I got some on my finger. Okay. I don't know why, but these brushes are giving me Wet n Wild vibes. That makes me think that they're like cheap, but they work really well. Granted, I've only tried a couple of the Wet n Wild ones because I saw a couple at the dollar store, and I wasn't the biggest fan of them. I mean, they're just like, nothing special, but I really like these. Okay, and the last brush is an eye brush, so I'm going to use that with the next product I'm going to show you. Or maybe not, because I have an Ofra Cosmetic eyeshadow. I don't know if that's a shade, Blush Winter Rose Gold. That might be the shade name. Wait, this is pretty big though. Wait, is this a blush? I'm gonna be so mad this is a blush and I just used this Fashion Fair blush instead. Where's the card? Yo, my life is trash. Over Pop-Up Palette Mini. Blush, got it. Yes, it is a blush. But I'm okay with that because that would not do anything for my skin tone. Next, I have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And let's see. I also saw this on the Boxycharm Instagram page. Ooh. Okay, so I just really quickly threw on 2 shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just kind of smoke out the eye. And we're going to use this on the lid and see how that looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is such a pretty color. Like, the reflex is amazing. Oh my god. Alright, so as your standard doe foot applicator. We'll see, this is really crease proof. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh! Like my camera isn't even picking up. Like, I'm gonna use that crown brush to kind of just like blend it out. It is such a pretty color. You can use it as a topper, you can use it as a base. And I love how you can like really build up the color, or you can soften it out with a brush, and it blends out nicely with the brush. It's pretty even. I actually really like this. Who was blowing me up? I have an eyeliner. This is the Vintage by Jessica Libeskind Smoky Eye Pencil in the shade Jet Black. Pencils like these kind of scare me, but YOLO. Okay, I'm like totally ruining the eye look with this pencil. But yeah, so I don't prefer pencils like this on my waterline, but it's not bad. And last but not least, we have an Ofra magnetic palette. I love how it's different too. It's not like the, you know, the plain lift up. It has like, come on, geometric shape. Yes. I love this. And so assuming this blush had worked out for me, you just boop, pop it in the palette. So the palette itself is $19, and this is a mini, which means there's a bigger one. The blush refill was $12. I should be calculating this. The Cover FX Shimmer Veil was $28. $28. The Vintage Eye Pencil, $21. I would not buy this for $21. And the Pure Plumping Lip Exfoliator, $17. And the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, $29.99. So you guys know we gonna do what it do, and we gonna do some math. So the total value of the box comes up to $126.99, and you paid $21. So that is a great value set for your coin. So that is it for this month's Boxycharm. I thank you for watching so very much, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles. This would be a cute little thumbnail. Ow. Don't let the shrinkage fool you, mommy. Your girl got hair. Don't let the shrinkage fool you, okay? Your girl got hang time, okay? She got bundles. That's all, folks. Good. Tell him what he did. Jimmy, man, goodbye. Bitch.